Oh yeah, bonus video. How quick can I change the entire exhaust on a Peugeot 107? All I've done is made sure that the lambda sensor comes undone, and I've sprayed a couple of bolts on the manifold. Everything else, new exhaust, it's down there, all the clamps and everything are all ready to go. So I'm going to leave this in real time, and hopefully it'll be done before my tea's ready. So it'll take about 15 minutes. Minutes, that's not bad. Not good. Yeah, that's not great. My tea will be getting cold now. Oh well. Still sounds like it's blowing. No, not. But, right, thanks for watching. Yeah, one bolt at the front to repair because it stripped the I brought the captive off on the other side. Thanks for watching.